Congratulations! Winning this bronze against PLDT. Grabe yung laban na to kasi talagang dikitan with PLDT. Pero ano masasabi mo sa naging fight ng team in that match and eventually winning the bronze?
With that match, everybody had doubted us. Even in the fourth set. Even ourselves, we doubted ourselves. Sa fourth set na yun. We didn't realize na holding on together is the best thing that we can possibly do at that right time to win this bronze. But still, marami ako nakita with my team, with local teams doon sa lineup namin. So marami tayong natutunan and also marami akong nakita din na pwede natin pag-cooking, improve, not actually pag-good, it's more maybe improve. But totally with Annie, I'm very proud of this girl. Oh my God! Holding on until fifth set. How many fifth sets did you play?
Like so many.
Seven games na ng fifth sets na hindi kami iniwan. So I'm very grateful for this young lady, very young lady. So yun lang, but I'm very proud also with my team, locals namin, especially with this order. Ito yung rock. Okay, ito yung rock ko. Hindi kami lagi nagkakasundo. Actually, that's the reality. Player coaches, hindi kami nagkakasundo. But sa yung goal namin, every time we step on the court, sa yung gusto namin natin. Thank you so much.
So welcome. Thank you, Coach. Annie, in this game, you had 36 points and 12 excellent receptions. In the fourth set, you guys were down, I guess, 9-18, and in the fifth set, it was also an extended match. I guess what was just going through your head during that time that you guys eventually got this game?
Like in the fourth set, I thought it was over. Like I kind of was like rushed preparing to just like finish, and then all of a sudden we were like winning, and I don't even think we like expected that, did we? It was like a shock for even ourselves. And then in the fifth set, I think we started to like kind of fight more and like want to actually like show what we can do.
There's 14 points, 10 excellent digs, and 13 excellent receptions. An all-around game for you. Sa side ng players, paano nyo lang ba na-maintain yung kapit, especially yung tight game na to against PLDT?
Yun nga, parati kong nare-remind sa teammates ko, especially yung mga pioneer na hindi bago sa amin lahat ng mga situation. Kasi parang this past few games, para kami, hindi kami yun. Kasi bumibitaw kami. Sabi ko, ibalik natin yung kahit hindi na maganda yung nangyayari, kumakapit pa rin kami sa isa't isa. And also, I guess, yun nga, parati kong pinag-prepare na Lord, give me strength, give our coaches focus, and para may magandang desisyon, and also para may ko yung team ko paano kumapit sa mga ganong sitwasyon.
Coach, hindi mo nakuha yung finals, pero gano'ng kalaking bagay para sa inyo na nasa podium pa rin yung Akari with this bronze medal?
Actually, to be honest, diba, parang sabi nila parang cheesy masyado yung bronze, parang sweeter than getting a championship. Pero this time, yung pagkapanalo namin with this match, hindi biro na para sabihin like, let go lang these emotions. Hindi biro na para hindi mo ma-appreciate lahat ng nakikita mo. But with this team na nakita natin holding on together, ang laki ng appreciation ko sa kanila. And even sweeter than even to bronze medal para sa
siguro parang for me, it's really like a big thing sa amin kasi marami na sa amin na nagda-down, and also yung team kasi namin parang kailangan may marami pang dapat gawin. So eto malaking bagay na sa amin, stepping stone as para mag-mature.
Annie, you've always been a very calm person on and off the court, but how were the emotions like during that fifth set, especially during that back and forth?
In the fifth set, I was really, really nervous. It was so tight. I don't know, I think I was the most nervous, but maybe I'm not showing it, but I was feeling it.
And I mean, seeing it.
I
I'm feeling it also.
I can talk to you.
Yeah, they were helping me. She was helping me.
Ani.
Any one more point. So yeah, I was very nervous, but we did it.
And eventually, familiar ka na sa ganitong setup, racing PLDT 5 cents, lahat ng yun. So ikaw parang nakatulong ba na, kumbaga, parang na-experience mo na rin ito dati, kaya mas naging composed ka rin sa
Yes po, kasi yun nga yung last game kasi, I could say na more on emotions. We could have get that kung hindi namin pinairal yung emotions namin and also yung pagiging impatience namin. Yun yung parating nire-remind ng coaches sa amin. So kanina, every time na higdikan yung laban, I always gather them and, relax lang, hindi pa tapos. Saka tayo mag-celebrate pag tapos na para kalmado lang and mas nagagalaw namin yung maayos during crucial game.
But that's podium mo sa Filipino, podium ulit ngayon grade 4. So can you describe lang or reflect on the past year para sa
I guess mas nag-improve kami lalo ngayon. Yun nga, sabi ni Coach Tina, marami siyang naitulong sa amin, especially the culture and paano magdisiplina sa bawat isa.
Ayun na, Coach Tina.
Ano kami na, asat pusa. We're like Tom and Jerry. Yes.
Yun nga po, yung entry niyo po sa Atari, podium na that's like podium. So,
Every coaches has yung vision, right? Every coaches has vision. And every time, sorry, medyo naman. And every time, or every game, I always remind them na this is our last game to push lagi. Very passionate kasi ako magturo. And also very passionate din yung approach ko sa akin. So yung mission and vision ng coaches namin, yung sa Akari, isa. So, I'm very thankful and blessed na sila yung reason kung bakit namin nakuha yung gold. Hindi man namin na-achieve yung championship, but still, mas magandang opportunity to move forward, to look for another opportunity na pagdating ng All-Filipino, mas may improve pa namin yung sarili namin, skills namin, attitude namin, and also yung work ethics namin. Mas makikilala pa namin. Actually, technically or officially, this is my first conference. Kasi yung on-tour naman yung parang late ako. Very dedicated kasi din ako sa kanila. So, yun yung gusto ko na yung harmony, yung rhythm, yung environment. Gusto ko kasi mas, happy lang, na wala masyadong isa-set aside natin yung emotions or clearly mental lang every time na yung play. So, I'm very happy na, yun nga, medyo na-entice ko sila sa ganong mentality.
Coach, si Glenn, nag-church ng fourth grade. Bigyan niyo lang kami ng preview kung paano yung dynamics na since dahil na napapatuloy.
I know, Gretchen kasi even before naman, di ba, alam natin kaya na siya lady beast. Yun yung tiwala. So, yung moniker na yun, hindi yun mawawala sa kanya. Yung ganun kalaki yung tiwala ko sa kanya. Kung nagdadaan siya sa sarili niya, or hindi siya na-appreciate ng ibang tao. Ako kahit na di ba, the last time, medyo nag-away kami doon. She had one point. Nag-away kami na. Medyo nagkaroon kami ng disagreement with that. Pero sooner or later, she realized na parang wala naman, di ba? So parang, I'm not here to make you, I'm not here to be friends. Sabi ko sa kanya. Kaya kailangan talaga magtutulong. So hanggat maaari, tutulong ako, tutulong ko siya. So kaya, medyo kami kami. Pero we're good. Wala namang problema sa akin. Hanggang ganun lang yun. Sa court lang yun. And after that,
if you would wrap up or reflect on your speech in the Akari conference, and could you expect you in the conference?
Yeah, I would love to come back. I hope I can come back to Akari.
Why are you looking at
That's your face.
Yeah, I would love to come back here. I really had the best time here. The relationship with the girls, the staff, the coach loves me.
Whoa! I'm very thankful.
So I'm really thankful to be here, and I'm just so happy I got to experience this. And I really have. I've said this like so many times, but I've had the best time here, and I hope to come back.